Lyric Catalyst, BK, yo, rhythm and comedy, song remember boy, check this out, yo. So I spit like it's my last rhyme with the noose around my neck. Let's move apart to check. Addicted like a fool around my crack. Smooth around the track. The eye for life, a view without respect. Standing at the front, I'm tight, fact it's a loose around the back. Notice, it's a lot of hate, but when I spit, there's no tease. I keep the game in lock with no keys. And rappers go please. Never left the game, I still rap, but call me no thief. When I go for it, I pull a couple of rappers back like long sleeve. Spit I bring fear, so whining is what you rather do. When I king size pet, my lyrics still make you uncomfortable. When this catalyst is blazing, that's what you take cover to. And even if you sit before me, don't mean I look after you.
Ngeke bangidlela ikhundla saphila ngakabi senginemali engangezwe bethi imali engangemali ngihlanya kuphela ngisile mangase ungibize ngosidumbu namhlanje ngabo yena kusasa cause ngasa ngifile phula umthetho lokho engibulalile mina usitshuzana ngimshanga eflower ngashidabile mongivulela icala ngeke lithethe uyozufa ekuthe umthetho unengalende ingakho uthatha kude Seshinwele isibongo siqabula ukhakhayi nani niyazi ngibhedla nihleke sikhoko ngidabula iphashline angani ivari nirapa nihlebe imbobo ningathuki nganyali shaya amabili igwayi mase mathathu ngiyacondomizer
I'm in it to win it cause I'm in it for the bigger check. Fakers never pick a rack. Fuck punches I give them back. AM cats I need the whack. Fake friends I pick a rat. My flows lead to the Pacific, yeah you smoke cheap cigarettes. Never claim what I'm not, there's no fame you niggas got. My whole name is worth a lot. You so lame like oh my god. I'm addictive before I spit I'm what you craving. I shoot you in your step boons, that's a shortcut to heaven. Knock you off your feet, give you bruises like a boost shot. Your chick trying to hit on me, she coming looking floozy hot. My punches always come in multiples, like an Uzi shot. Your shit don't make sense, a necklace chick with the beauty spots.
Uhlupha zaphi inkunzi malanga mangazi sikuculula imabala esusa amachaphazela egazi hlupha kutatazela umfazi ngibuya qhaqhazela u-out kanti ngizoshaya i-love song ngifuna ngimamatheka udali ngipaphatheka usinayi dala bamthile inkinga ithuna lakhe angiliboni bamngcwabephi la ngeke ungitshele lutho sigelema ohlulekile ngizokushaya ngolayini onenyawo buyisa ifika uma ugqomile akho khanda waliphula la sakhona amahathu sukuhleli necherry yakhe ngima-period ma unukelwe igazi nibiza ngamadela ngisathu sokuqhuma kwa-cricket a-cosmit family la engekho uJada Pinkett